Hi guys, Kenya Horton. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to set up Sharif's winning strategy on the IML web analyzer. So a lot of our team uses this strategy. We've had a lot of success with this strategy. As you know, I've combined Davin's 4 rules and Sharif's strategy to be very successful with it. But after a lot of requests from our team members, I started to do more training on Sharif's strategy alone because people wanted something less technical. And after backtesting this strategy, I did find that when you have the proper entry and really know what you're looking for, you can do very, very well with this strategy. So to get started, I have a complete IML web analyzer training on our YouTube channel, but I'm going to quickly show you how to just get started quickly using the Sharif strategy, since a lot of us trade together and do this strategy together. So you are going to first pull up your internet browser and you're going to go to imlwebanalyzer.com. You're going to log in with your username and your password. And when you log in, you're going to see a white screen like this. It's probably going to say null at the top right here next to strategy. And you probably will see a blank space over here to the right, I'm not sure. But if you refresh your screen, you will see the buy and sell notifications here. And I have a training that goes through all that, but we're not going to do that in this video. So to select your strategy and your formatting, a lot of you always contact me and ask, how do I get my screen dark? How do I set up my web analyzer to look so nice? So I'm just going to show you how to set up Sharif. So you're going to go over to the right at the very top. And you're going to click on 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth indicator over, or the fourth little symbol right here. It's like a wheel. So if you click on that, you're going to get a window that pops up. And you're going to click on the drop down for select a strategy template. And you're going to select Sharif, which is the third one down. And then you're going to make sure you turn on cha-ching. So when a new alert comes through, it will cha-ching. You'll hear the alert. And I also click turn on dark mode. That's going to turn your screen dark. You're going to click save for mobile. And then you're going to click save settings and reload. And when it reloads, you're going to see your screen look like this. Now you should have the Bollinger Band, the RSI, and the Stochastic. Now your screen may not look like mine when it first loads. So what you can do, if you see some little lines at the bottom of Bollinger Band and it says BOL, which stands for volume over here on the left, just click the little X and you can get rid of it. Then if you are missing the Bollinger Band, so let's say if you don't see Bollinger Bands like you do here, like on my page, you're going to click on this little wave right here, which stands for indicators. Click on indicators. And in the search, you're just going to type Bollinger Bands, okay? Bollinger Bands, and you're going to click on Bollinger Bands right there. When you click on Bollinger Bands, that should add it to your candlesticks right there. And then to format it, if you want your Bollinger Bands to look like mine, I have the green lower band that is an indication for my buy, and my red band is an indication for my sell. So if you click on this little middle button right here that says format, if you click on that, I'll let you see my settings. So these are my settings. So this is the style, and you can do this exactly like mine's if you want. If you notice, you can move these. So I move it to make it darker. If you move it to the left, it goes lighter. I just like mine to appear dark. And then on the inputs, these are my inputs. So my length is 20, my standard deviation is 2, my offset is 0, and very important, you want to make sure that you click defaults, save as default, and click OK. Then next, you want to go to your RSI, and you just click the middle button again. And my length actually says 9. I'm going to change that to 7. And for the style, this is my style. So this is how I turn my line pink, and I like mine's all pretty. You guys don't have to. I know guys, you probably don't care about that stuff, but you can change it to whatever you want it to. Make sure your levels are on 80/20. Make sure you click save as default, and that's it. And then for the stochastic, I use 533. I believe that Sharif uses different settings on the stochastic, probably the RSI as well. These are settings that Davin's 4 rules uses or used when he first created the strategy, and I had a lot of success with it, so I just never changed it. So you guys can do whatever you want, but this strategy. I'm very successful with it. And so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Okay. So there you go. So that's how you set up your Bollinger Bands, your RSI, and your Stochastic. And now you are ready to trade the Sharif strategy. So basically what happens is when you get an alert, we always trade off the 15-minute time frame. We do not pay attention to any other time frame. So if a trade is called on USD JPY, actually, let's just say a trade is called on Euro USD. If you look at all of our previous training, especially our recent trainings on the Sharif strategy, I point out setups. I have live trading on this strategy. I mean, everything you need to know to be profitable with this strategy. But do not focus on profits when you're first learning. Really focus on learning the strategy and learning how to be disciplined in your trading plan. I've provided a trading plan to all of you inside of our Telegram and also in our team page. So you have everything you need, guys, and I will continue to point out setups and do trading with you. This is a beautiful setup right here. This is a perfect setup for Sharif strategy. Had you entered, when I have a perfect setup like this, I go ahead and enter right here on this first candle, and you'll see what I do in my previous videos, but let's just measure real quick. This looks like a good 30 pips. Guys, that's over 40 pips right there. So if you really know what to look for with this strategy, you can be very profitable, and I absolutely love it. It's very easy, and I think that it's a great strategy for you to use while you are learning. And as you become a master trader, you will find yourself probably not wanting to use as many indicators, or you will find yourself being able to trade like a price action trader if you want, which is what most professionals will transition to. Depends on what you like. But a lot of us are profitable with this strategy. I hope that you find this helpful. If you guys have questions about formatting or getting started, just comment on this video. I'll be sure to answer them. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on the trainings, and you guys have fun with this one. I love this strategy. It absolutely works.